thinking, why do you have all this stuff here? It's because we're going to do a project. What you need is scissors, 2 paper cups, and you don't really need this. You need paint.
We're using the tray to keep the paint from getting on the table.
And we need paint, paper towels, paint brushes for the paint, paper rolls, and a felt tip pen or a marker, a phone or a mobile phone. Oops. Let's get started. Step 1, we're gonna trace the phone. And you might need someone to hold it so the marker doesn't go like. I can hold it. I think I know what is step 2. It's to cut it out. You might need a parent to help you with this because it will be dangerous. So this flaps open and closes.
Okay. So this.
Are you sure you're cutting on the line? So we got one side finished. Once one side is finished, it will look like this.
Okay, let's do it.
Look, I made an eye. Hey, there's different kinds of eyes. It's a homophone.
Yeah, eye is a homophone.
Because it's like our eye and the like letter eye. So this is what it might look like when it has 2. You need to put a paper towel in there, but I can't reach it. Hold on. I can't grab it well. This is one. It's okay if it kind of rips and we'll crumble it, right? So this is what it will have to be at one end. Make sure the flap is like pointing this way, like this. How it looks
Only
like.
thing left to do is paint your speakers any colors you like.
And I decided it will be purple and gray. All of it?
Have a paper towel to set your paintbrush down when you need to set your paintbrush down, okay?
Okay. Okay, let's paint. It's okay if you get some paint on you because you can wash it off. Like I got some and I can wash it off. Oh, and if babies are with this project, make sure they don't swallow the paint. Otherwise, it can make them sick. Okay? That's enough. We're gonna do like the minutes or hours, right? The like 5 hours later. We're gonna do that, right?
1 hour later.
There. That's 1 cup. So wait a few minutes until it's dry and you can test it out if you want. Okay, so now it's close to dry. So let's put it together. There we go. Now we're gonna get the phone. Where is the phone? And now let's put it in.
Waking up to action dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. It's a revolution.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and remember to turn on notifications and subscribe and do the comment below. So we'll see you later in my next science video. Or it could be a different one, my regular